In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly install an app from the Shopify App Store to enhance the functionality of your online store. Whether you're looking to add new features, improve your store's performance, or simplify your sales processes, installing apps from the Shopify App Store is an excellent way to get started. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you get it just right. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into the Shopify App Store. Head over to the App Store, which is essentially a hub full of apps designed to meet various business needs, such as marketing, inventory management, customer service, and much more. Once you're there, take some time to browse through the available options. You can search for apps by entering keywords related to the functionality you're interested in, or you can explore the categories listed to discover some of the top-rated and most popular apps. Say you found an app that piques your interest and fits your needs. This is where the fun begins. Click on the app to open its listing page. Here you'll find invaluable information about what the app offers. Take a moment to read through the features, check user reviews, and glance at any screenshots or videos provided. This is your chance to ensure the app aligns with your store's goals before proceeding. Once you feel confident about the app choice, your next step is straightforward. You'll notice an install button somewhere on the page. Clicking this button gets you started on adding the app to your Shopify store. But don't worry, the process is designed to be smooth and user-friendly. After clicking Install on the app listing page, you'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. This is a crucial part of the process where you'll authorize the app to be integrated with your store. You'll need to grant permission to the app to access necessary parts of your store's data, which it requires to function correctly. Rest assured that trusted apps go through a vetting process, ensuring they meet security standards before being available on the App Store. You'll find another Install button in the admin panel that you'll need to click. Essentially, this is double-checking with you that you wish to authorize this installation. Once you do that, voila! The app is now a part of your Shopify store, ready to use, and you can start exploring its new features to elevate your store's performance. And there you have it, a seamless guide to installing an app from the Shopify App Store. With these new tools in your arsenal, your e-commerce store can reach new heights of efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you integrate new apps into your business strategy.